Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 24th of August 2023. My software is giving me a sell signal. All right, let me just set my take profits, and there you go. So this is a quick, this is a quick system A scalp trade. Remember, we had a hedge the last time. We've had some nice couple small trades. We actually had two hedges last week. Today, sorry. And yeah, remember we started this account with $250. We're up over, there you go. We're about to hit, take profit hit, $185 in less than 40 seconds scalping. So that's the power of using system B, system A. I also have another scalping system which is called system B. All right. And yeah, this is how we make scalping. We make all this kind of profits. As you can see, 150, 30. We've not been making big profits recently because of NFP that is coming out next week. But yeah, as you can see, we've been making a lot of profits. We started this account with $250, and so far so good. We've made $10,000 in withdrawal. And in terms of profits, we've made over $45,000 profits in about 3 to 4 months scalping this account. If you want to get the software which helps me to learn when to buy, as you can see, tells me when to sell, you can see with the alerts, tells me the market trends, tells me where to exit, where to hedge. As you can see with my hedges, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You get the course and it comes with the software free. I teach my students with live trades, so that means we'll be taking live trades like this. We'll be taking scalping trades, system A and system B. We'll be taking hedging, live hedging like this, so that you, instead of taking losses in the market, you hedge out your trades and come out at break even. And yeah, we'll be looking at swing trades too. Remember to be careful about NFP. Remember, it's not, you shouldn't be taking so many trades during NFP, especially if you don't have experience, and try not to use indicators or support and resistance, as they do not work. If you want to copy my trades, sign up in Milligan Markets, link in description below, where you connect your account to my account. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect to my account. And if you want to just test my software for free, sign up in Milligan Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account, so that I know that you're serious about testing my software and taking trades, maybe before you get the course. And send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And yeah, that will be all you need. We'll be right back with another trading video soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment.